2021 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. Take home the car of your dreams today.